How to fix randomly shuts off on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on outside power button and volume up button. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, after the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix randomly shuts off on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.